Welcome to Space and Tech Solutions here over in Holmes Chapel to do one of our professional installations. This is a little bit of a left to the last minute job. It the router into which will be a server room. Didn't want any cable showing outside. I wouldn't have got an original cable through it, so cable's made up on site. We'll grommets on the back through there, plugged in temporary. Through the ceilings. All the way through the loft space. Would have been easier on the other side of the house, but the customer didn't want it there. There's Phil. There's Phil.
Give me that rubbish, pal.
All the way through the loft. Fitted there on a crank mast, nice and secure as the customer requested it. Cable entry point is just there. Good installation over in Wilmslow or anywhere else in Cheshire. Feel free to get in touch.